Welcome back to Scotty Speakeasy. Hope you enjoyed that Moscow Mule. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a drink I created myself. I call it Eve's Downfall. Now if you remember, Sunday school taught you that Eve's downfall was eating the forbidden fruit after she was enticed by the serpent, Satan himself. So to make this drink, you're going to need apple juice, Fireball whiskey, and because her downfall just seemed too small for one alcohol alone, and God is considered the King of Kings, we got Crown Royal. So to start this drink, you're going to need 1 shot of Fireball whiskey, followed by 2 shots of your Crown. Then you just top the rest of it off with your apple juice. Mix it around with the swizzle stick that I got from a careless bartender at B-Dubs one time. And there you go. Hope you enjoy. I know I do. Peace out, yo.